Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbert. Following that, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!